Hello children, how are you? I am Narendra Kumar Pandey. In my last video, I had discussed about the numbers and a little bit I had given the details of place value also. So now in continuation of the same video and in extension of that, again I will be giving the details of place value with some more examples. I will illustrate some more examples so that the concept of place value must be clear to you. So, example number one, in place value, we will be considering 4-digit numbers because in class third up to 4-digit uh, in course curriculum it has been given. So, let us consider the 4-digit. Numbers are 4, 7, 2, 6. These are the 4 digits. So what we have found over here is 4 is at the place of 1000, 7 is at the place of 100, 2 is at the place of again 10, and 6 is at the place of oh. Again, suppose 4 is at the place of 1000, means its place value is what? Its place value is 4000. Okay. Now 7 is at the place of 100. So place value is 700. Now 2 is at the place of tens. So you can say 2 tens. 2 tens means 2 multiplied by tens. Again, it becomes 20. So place value is 20. Here, at the place of ones, the digit is 6. So place value is 6. Okay. Another example, say 7, 3, 1, 9. This is 4-digit number. This is at the place of 1000. This is at the place of 100. This is at the place of 10. This is at the place of ones. So the place value of 7 is place value of 7 is 7000. Place value of 3 is what? It is 300. Because 3 is at the place of 100. Now place value of 1 is 10 because it is at the place of 10. Place value of 9 again is 9. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you, isn't it? Let us see another example. Example number 3. Number is 5034. Now place value of 5 is 5000, isn't it? And at the place of 100 it is 0. So place value, since it is 0, so place value of 0 will be always 0. Place value, next one is 3. So place value of 3 is 3 tenths, which makes 30. And lastly, place value of 4, which is at the place of ones. Place value of 4 is 4. And combining 30 and 4, it becomes 34. So again we have to remember, which I had explained in my last video. It is what will be expanded form? Is 5000 34. This is expanded form. So we have to know about the expanded form also, little bit in detail. Suppose fourth example is we are taking 4-digit number. Fourth example is 9, 2, 4, 6. At the place of thousands, it is 9. So 9000 is place value of what? 9. You can write it in this way also. Place value of 2 will be 200. Is the, you can write in both the ways. 200 is the place value of 2. Place value of 4, because 4 is at the place of tens. 4 tens means 40. So it will be 40. 40 is the place value of 4, and 6 is at the place of 1s. So 6 is place value of 6. Now expanded form will be, we have to find out the expanded form. Expanded form will be, at the place of thousands it is 9,000. So write 9,000. Then at the place of 100 it is 2. So write 200. And at the place of tens it is 4, and place value is 40. And after that it is 6. At the place of 6, combining both, it will be 46. So it will be 9,246. Okay. So in this way, you will be, if somebody will be asking what is the expanded form of given 4-digit number, you can explain. You can give the answer of that. So let us see one more example. Sorry. This 2 is at the place of 1,000, 0 is at the place of 100, 1 is at the place of 10, 8 is at the place of 1s. Okay. So place value two is 2,000. Place value of 0, since it is 0, so it will be always 0. Place value of 0 will be always 0. Place value of 1 is 10, because 1 is at the place of tens. And place value of 8 is 8. And what will be expanded form? Expanded form is, at the place of 1,000 it is 2, so it will be 2,000. At the place of 0 it is 0, so nothing you have to write. After that, at the place of tens it is 1, making 10, and combining with 8 it becomes 18. So it is 2,018, and that is what the expanded form is. Expanded form of this number 2018. If somebody will be giving this figure and asking, suppose what is the expanded form, you will be easily giving the answer. It will be 2018. 18. Then let us see in another way. If somebody is asking you, somebody is giving a question. An example is there. What is the place value is given in a number. Place value of 6 in 2586 is at, and this blank space is given, and that you have to fulfill. Place value of 8 in 8403 is at, and again blank space. Then again place value of 6 in number 4761 is at, again you have to say what is the place value. Then place value of again 6 in 6018 is at. So how you will be able to find out? You see, place value of 6, where you are getting 6 is at the place of ones. So what you will be writing over here in the blank space? It is ones. It is at the place of ones. So place value is ones. It is at the place of ones. Place value of 8. Here it is at the thousands. So here it will be thousands. Again, place value of 6. Here it is at the place of tens. So you will be writing tens. Here place value of 6 in 6018 is here 6 is at the place of thousands. So write it here thousands. Okay. So if somebody is asking some the place value, if they are giving you the numbers and asking the place value of any number, any digit, you can give the answer in this way. One more example to clarify it. Suppose another example. These blank spaces are given to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are considering 4-digit number only because this video is concerning class 3rd, in which up to 4 digits courses covers. So here at the this is thousands place, this is hundreds place, this is tenth place, this is ones place. So at the place of thousand, place this place value given is, say, place value, and you have to find out the number. Place value of thousands, place value is 8,000. Suppose your place value is 200 because it is representing the place of 100, and now representing tens, place value given is 40. Representing ones, place value is say 6. So what number it will make? At the place of 1000 it is 8. At the place of 100 it is 2 because 200 is a place value. At the place of tens it is 40. So it is right 4. Place value of ones is 6. So the number which you have found out is 8246. So write it here, 8246. So this is the number you have found out. Okay. Then one more example. Let us see. Here place value is 7,000. This is at the place of 1000. This is at the place of 100. This is at the place of tens, and this is at the place of ones. And here it is a place value of 100 is 300. At the place of tens, place value is again 30. At the place of ones, it is 2. So what number it is making? Place value of 7,000 directly I am fulfilling over here. It is 7 because place value of 7 is 7,000 and this is the place of 1000. Now place here it is 3 because place value of 100 is 300 and it is starting from 3, so 3 you have to write it over here. Again place value of 30, place value is 30 and over here starting from 3, so at the place of tens you will have to write again 3. Then again at the place of ones you will be writing 2. So the number which you have found out over here is 7,332. So I hope it must be clear to you. With the examples, it must be clear to you. Now, suppose if somebody is asking you, place where some numbers are given to you, 7250, 8521, 5311 and 4233, and you have to find out, you have to ring the place of 5 where place value is 500. So where just you have to find out of all these four, where is 5 at the place of 100? Here it is at the place of 10. Here it is at the place of 1000, and here you are not getting any 5. So ultimately, where is 5 at the place of 100th place? It is here. So here, what you have to circle this one. So the number will be 8521, in which 5 is the place value of 5 is place value of 5 is 500. Okay, so let us see one more example. From that, again it will be clear to you. 8, 9, 6, 7. 7, 2, 3, 5. 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 7, 5, 3. You have to find out the place of 7, place value of 7 place value of 7 is 7000. You have to find out, and you have to circle wherever place value you are getting 7000 for this 7. So here it is at the place of 1, so this will not be answer. Here again it is at the place of 1, so it will this also will not be the answer. Here 7 comes at the place of hundreds, so this number is also wrong. But here you are getting 7 is at the place of 1000, so this is your right answer. Okay, because here 7 place value of 7 is 7000. Okay, so in this way, if somebody is telling to circle, you have to circle only this one and not this one. You cannot circle this one. You cannot circle this also. Only this one you can circle. If you will be circling this one or anyone wherever you are getting 7, that will be wrong answer. Now, suppose 4 numbers again. One more example: 7, 2, 4, 6, 5, 1, 0, 4, 4, 8, 3, 7, 9, 4, 3, 7. And you have to find out the place value of 4 where you are finding place value of 4 is 4, where you are getting, and wherever you are getting you have to circle it. This is at the place of tens, so this is the wrong answer. Here it is at the place of 1000. So this also is wrong answer. Here place of 4 again at the it is at the place of 100. So this also is wrong answer. But you have you are finding this 4 at the place of ones. So this is your correct answer. So in this way you will have to circle this only, this number only. Okay. So children, I hope from this video you regarding the place value which I have discussed, I think the total concept you must have clear to you. And if you are liking my this video, just subscribe it and click the bell icon so that I can notify you about my next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day. See you again.